In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Dropbox using Desktop app. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your files backed up and accessible across your devices, and it works the same whether you're on Windows or Mac. First, open your file manager. On Windows, that's File Explorer, the folder icon usually pinned to your taskbar or accessible from the Start menu. On a Mac, open Finder, the smiling face icon in your dock. These are the places where you browse everything stored on your computer, and they're where you'll manage your Dropbox files too. Next, navigate to the file or folder you want to upload. This might be in your documents, downloads, desktop, or any other location you've been working from. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top of File Explorer or Finder to quickly locate what you need. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Now, find your Dropbox folder on your computer. When the Dropbox desktop app is installed and you're signed in, it creates a dedicated Dropbox folder that appears in your sidebar. On Windows, you'll typically see it under Quick Access. On a Mac, look for it under Favorites. The folder uses the Dropbox icon, so it's easy to spot. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the sidebar or expand any collapsed sections. This folder is the key. Anything you place here will sync to your Dropbox account in the cloud. With both the source file and the Dropbox folder visible, drag and drop your file directly into the Dropbox folder. Click and hold the file, drag it over the Dropbox folder and release the mouse button. You can move a single file or an entire folder, and you can repeat the process for multiple items. As soon as you drop them in, the Dropbox desktop app begins syncing in the background. You'll usually see small badges on the files, a blue syncing icon while they upload, and a green check mark when everything is done. Upload time will depend on your internet speed and the size of your files. You can keep working. There's nothing else you need to do. Once the green checks appear, your files are safely stored in Dropbox and available from any device where you use Dropbox. That's all there is to it. Open your file manager, find your files, locate the Dropbox folder, and drag and drop. Simple, reliable, and fast. Thanks for watching.